Ever wondered why no one stops to watch your video? It's because your YouTube thumbnail looks tacky. And in today's video, I'll be showing you step by step how to make a professional clickable YouTube thumbnail that will make your content pop and make people stop scrolling past your video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, please hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, don't forget to hit on that like button and drop your thoughts in the comment section. So let's dive into what we have for today.
So let's head over to canva.com, and when you get to canva.com, all you have to do is to search YouTube thumbnail. And when you search for YouTube thumbnail, you will see different thumbnail designs. You can just pick one, any one you like, and edit it. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are going to start from a blank page. So you just click on this blank page and it will take you to a new page. I've already created my thumbnail. So I'm going to head over to that thumbnail and we are going to replicate that particular thumbnail. So let's head over there now. So these are the thumbnails I have that I'm creating, and this first one is the one we are going to replicate right now. So I'm going to create a new page and we'll start creating this thumbnail afresh. So I'm going to add a new page over here, and the first thing we are going to do is to I'm going to my uploads because I already have my images. I've uploaded my images here already. So this is the background I'm going to use. I'm going to import my background and I'm going to enlarge the background so it can fill up the space. So this is the background. I'm going to go to transparency and I'll reduce the transparency a bit. My brand color is purple, so I'm usually going to be using purple for almost all my design. And the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my text and put in my heading, which is why no one is buying from you. And I want to increase the size. So we'll search for popsin. And I'm going to make it bold. Okay, we are going to head over to effects. I want to add this effect, or this. No, let's add this. So let me go back and see what I did here. I'm just going to go to my uploads where I have my, and I'm going to add them. I'm going to add some other things I have in my video. There are things I have in my video. I'm just going to add them here. And I'm also going to add an element that signifies bad, something bad, because it aligns with what we are talking about in the video. Then I'm also going to head over to text again, and I'm going to write acquire client effortlessly. So for the sake of this, let me just copy and paste from this other flyer here. So I'm going to Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I'm also going to copy this, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So now I'm going to bring in my picture. I'm going to bring in my picture. I'm going to the uploads. I've already uploaded my picture. I'm going to bring it in here. Let's adjust these other ones. And I'm going to bring my picture back here. So I want to edit my picture and add some shadow. So I'm going to shadow. I'm going to add outline. I'm going to reduce the size of the outline, and I'm going to change the color to white.
So here's how you can make a professional looking thumbnail using free tool like Canva. If this video helped you or you learned something new today, please hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.